Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into Steam if you forgot your password. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, instead of entering your credentials, look for the option that says I help, I can't sign in and click on it. This will take you to Steam's account recovery page where you'll have several options to choose from. From the available options, click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. This option is specifically designed to help you regain access when you can't remember your login details. Next, you'll need to enter either your email address or phone number in the designated field. This is crucial because Steam needs to verify your identity before allowing you to reset your password. Make sure you enter the correct information that's associated with your Steam account. After entering your contact information, you'll see a checkbox beside I am human. Check this box to proceed. This triggers a reCAPTCHA verification to ensure you're not a bot trying to access the account. Go ahead and answer the reCAPTCHA challenge, then click Next. You'll likely be asked to verify again with another reCAPTCHA, so complete that one as well and click Verify. These security measures are in place to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've completed the verification process, click the search button. Steam will now search for accounts associated with the email or phone number you provided. After the search completes, you'll see an option that says Email and Account Verification Code. Click on this option to have Steam send a verification code to your email address. Now open a new tab in your browser and access your email inbox. Look for the email from Steam containing your verification code and recovery instructions. Open this email and click on the Resume Recovery button. This will take you back to Steam's website where you can continue the password reset process. On the next page, click Reset My Password to begin creating your new password. You'll see a field where you need to enter your new password. Choose a strong password that you'll remember and type it in the designated field. For security purposes, you'll also need to re-enter your new password in the second designated field below to confirm it matches. Finally, click Change Password to complete the process. Steam will update your account with the new password and you'll be able to sign in immediately using your new credentials. And that's it, you've successfully reset your Steam password and can now access your account again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.